So, welcome to Art Parents. I'm Mrs. Monty. I'm going to go over a few things about what to expect from art class this year. So, what exactly happens during art class? Well, a lot of different things, in addition to making the beautiful artwork that you'll see coming home. We explore different materials and techniques. We discover about ourselves as we're creating our artwork and thinking about different ideas. We take our ideas and we turn those into reality, which is such a powerful feeling. We communicate with each other through images. We learn about other people and cultures by looking at their artwork and then trying out some of the things or approaches that they do. It's not all easy. So sometimes it's frustrating, which is okay because art can help us learn how to do problem solving. And to have a really cooperative and enjoyable art studio, we do need to learn how to work together. So, those are just some of the things that we do in art. As I show you some images that I had of student artwork, I will let you know that we go through drawing skills that are appropriate to the grade levels. We work on fine motor coordination, from cutting, tearing, pasting, to much more precise things with the older grades. We go through color theory, and how to use watercolors. And here you can see color theory and color mixing applied to our fall leaves. We do printmaking, and this is part of our multicultural night display. So this is while looking at some of the art from other cultures. Last year, one of the things we explored was totem poles and spirit animals of the Pacific Northwest, how they came to be and why people believed in them. We looked at Gyotaku, an ancient Japanese art form, and explored that through printing on paper and on tissue paper, which kind of mimics the rice paper feeling. We work with our hands, everything from pinch pots in kindergarten to figuring out how to attach clay to clay, taking a pinch pot, turning it into something else like in first grade. All the way to taking those building skills and using the powers of our hands and our creativity to these fifth grade trapped air forms, which are actually just two pinch pots put together. I didn't have any slides readily available for our second grade project, which is learning how to build with coils, but we do that too. Here we have negative and positive space, learning about that while doing printmaking. We explore color theory through learning about the color wheel. How to create space in a landscape is something that we look at in the fourth grade. These are some of our American Indian sand paintings. That was from a couple of years ago. Third grade for the past year or two has been exploring how to create using slabs with clay. My third graders from last year are going to be finishing glazing their leaf plates and bowls that they started last year. And that's a basic overview. So, what to expect from asynchronous art class? Grades K through 2 have an art seesaw class. Please check for work there. It's separate from the regular classroom teacher's seesaw class. To my understanding, there's a tab that you should be able to easily access, and I have been seeing work already, so hopefully that's easy for you. Grades 3 through 5 have an art Google Classroom. Again, it is separate from the regular teacher's Google Classroom. Please check for work there on your asynchronous days. The due dates are flexible, but work does need to be completed. So please make sure that you and your child are checking those places for that work. It's become a little bit difficult to figure out how to post it without it taking up the whole school day. So I am starting to post all the asynchronous work on A days for the entire cycle. So just when you have art and you're home, check that computer, check that iPad, see what work you have to do, and fit it in when it works out best for you. If you have any questions, any problems, the best way to reach me is via email. I try to be really good about getting back to you the same day, or at the very least within 24 hours. Thank you for joining me. Hopefully I'll see you in person next time. Bye-bye.